as quiet as can be, listening to the footsteps that are surrounding me. These footsteps are my daughter's. She's been gone almost a year. I lay there stiff as hell, so many emotions, but not a tear. Remembering that day, everything else was a blur. The bruises and the welts and cigarette burns he left on her. I'm haunted by the ghost of what he did in the life he stole. And now a piece of me is missing, an empty hole inside my soul. The whispers in the dark saying I should have been there, but I was working 2 jobs, trying to get us out of here. Now the silence is deafening, a heavy, empty sound. Another angel gone, 6 feet in the ground. Remembering that day,